Outspoken former Chivi South Legislature killer Zivhu has been readmitted to Zanu PF without any conditions. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Zivhu, who had become a fierce critic of the ruling Zanu PF, has undergone ideology training at the infamous Chitepo School of Ideology before his readmission. Zivhu was expelled from Zanu PF in 2020 on charges of misconduct after he wrote on his Twitter handle that for Zimbabwe's challenges to end, there was a need to push for dialogue between the First Lady, Auxilia Mnangagwa, and MDC Alliance President Nelson Chamisa's wife, Sitokozile. He would post on social media that discussions between the leaders of Zimbabwe's two main political parties were key in resolving the economic crisis the country is facing. In a video circulation on social media, Zivhu announces that he is happy to be readmitted to the Revolutionary Party without conditions. I want to thank President Mnangagwa and the Politburo for readmitting me into the Revolutionary Party. I am so happy to join my family. I was born and bred in Zanu PF and I am back, said Zivhu. This is today's news about Zanu PF silencing killer Zivhu by readmitting him back into the party. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.